So to create it, just right click on this PC, click manage, then it will take you to this computer management area. Now click disk management. This is the place where we are going to create a new partition. So to reduce the size, let's right click on the C drive, click shrink volume, then you will get this pop-up. Now to create a new partition, so here we need to enter the space we want in megabytes. I want 200 GB space for the new partition, which is 200,000 MB. So I'm going to enter that. Now if you click shrink, you can see that a new unallocated space has been created here. Let's right click here, then click new simple volume, and you will get this pop-up. Now just click next and again click next. And here you can select the drive letter you want to assign for the new partition. So just click here and select the drive letter you want. I'm going to choose the letter D. Then click next. And in this field, you can enter the name of the partition. I'm going to leave it as it is. Now click next and click finish. You can see that the new partition has been successfully created with the drive letter we selected. So if we go to File Explorer, okay, now you can start using the new partition which you just created.